update on the compounded GLP-1 shortage lawsuit, the OFA versus FDA, which was put in favor of the FDA. There has been an appeal filed. It's based on the fact that the OFA, the compounding pharmacies, they're claiming that the FDA violates what's called APA, Administrative Procedures Act, saying that they're relying very, very heavily on data from Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly, the two branded GLP-1s. And they're not using data from pharmacies or anecdotal data, even though that anecdotal data is saying that compounded medications make up over 50% of the supply and demand in the current market, which is a substantial portion. And that data was not supported by Big Pharma, and they went with the Big Pharma data instead. The other huge thing they're claiming is bias, implicit bias. They're saying that the data that was from Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly is hugely biased because they stand to financially benefit from the compounders not being able to work, getting rid of their competition essentially. What they're saying is we have to have data from a lot of different places so that bias doesn't come into effect, which we go back to the beginning where they didn't take data from the individual compounding pharmacies or anecdotal data from telehealth providers either. They're also saying in this appeal that the FDA defined shortage incorrectly. In their definition of shortage, they were only including exact copies of tirzepatide and semaglutide. So all the numbers and supply and whatever only included pure. It didn't include tirzepatide or semaglutide with B vitamins in it or any other additives. So that greatly skewed what shortage meant, and they're only considering a portion of the GLP-1 space in the data from Novo Nordisk. What do y'all think? Let me know what you think, or if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Give me a follow. Stay updated on all the GLP-1 lawsuits and breaking them down so we can all understand them.